Thank you for downloading the PTX Therapy app. We are happy to be part of your journey to becoming pain-free. Here is a quick tutorial on how to use the various features of the app. After you log into the PTX app, your My Therapy screen will open. If you are new to posture therapy, we recommend watching the instructional videos at the bottom of the screen. To get started with your therapy, tap on the specific therapy routine you would like to complete. When you tap on a routine, you will see an overview of the routine, and also an option to choose the full or short version of the routine. Choose which version of the routine you would like to complete, and tap on the green button at the bottom of the screen to get started. The interactive routine screen for the first exercise of the routine will open. From the screen, you can watch the video instructions for the exercise by tapping the play button. You can see photos of the exercise by tapping the Photo tab. And you can review the exercise directions to make sure you are doing the exercise correctly by tapping on the Directions tab. Once you have completed the exercise, tap on the Done Show Next button to advance to the next exercise. Timed exercises have a timer that you can use to help keep track of time. The timer has pause and reset options. It also has audio prompts that you can silence if you prefer. Continue tapping the Done Show Next button as you complete each exercise. If you prefer to complete your routine by using a list view of the exercises, tap on the Exercise List tab, and you can follow along using the list of exercises. To mark the exercise complete, just tap on the grayed out check mark to the right of the exercise, and it will turn into a green check mark. Tap the I'm Done button at the bottom of the screen when you have completed all the exercises in your routine. After completing the last exercise of the routine, a screen will open that asks you to rate your pain level before and after your routine. Once you have returned to your My Therapy screen, you can view your progress by tapping on the Progress tab. The Activity tab is used to see the days you completed a routine and how many exercises were completed that day. The Session Report tab shows your pain level for a given day on which you completed an exercise routine. From the More tab, you can view your account information, select the PTX app notification preferences, access the Learning Library, view the Help Center where you can find therapy tips and answers to frequently asked questions, contact a PTX licensed therapist if you have questions about your therapy program, and contact PTX support if you need to report an app-related technical issue to PTX. Again, thank you for downloading the PTX Therapy app. We look forward to hearing about your successes in your journey to becoming pain-free.